Have you ever wondered why you just can't stand the taste of broccoli, or why a crisp, fresh salad feels like a punishment rather than a treat? You might blame your fussy taste buds or a lack of willpower, but what if I told you the real culprits are living inside you right now? Deep within your gut, a hidden world of trillions of microbes is waging a silent war. Their preferences, not yours, might be dictating your dinner plate. These tiny organisms, your gut bacteria, are powerful saboteurs. They manipulate your cravings and push you away from nourishing foods. It's a startling thought, isn't it? The battle for a healthier diet isn't just in your head, it's happening in your intestines. This isn't science fiction, it's a fast-growing area of medical science. Imagine your gut as a bustling city of different bacterial communities. Some communities thrive on fats, some thrive on sugars. You find those in processed foods. Others specialize in complex fibers found in vegetables. To truly grasp this concept, we need to properly introduce you to your gut microbiome. Think of it as a vast, invisible organ, weighing up to 2 kilograms, roughly the same as your brain. This organ isn't made of human cells, but of trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, viruses, that live primarily in your large intestine. There are so many of them that they outnumber your own human cells by a significant margin. We have evolved alongside these microbes for millions of years in a complex symbiotic relationship. We provide them with a warm, safe home and a constant supply of food, and in return, they perform a huge range of tasks that are essential for our survival. Their job description is impressively long. They are master chemists, breaking down parts of our food that our own bodies cannot, such as complex plant fibers. In doing so, they release a wealth of vital nutrients, vitamins and beneficial compounds called short-chain fatty acids, real superstars for our health. They provide energy for our gut lining, reduce inflammation, and even coach our immune system to tell friend from foe. Now for the truly shocking part, how do these tiny microbes actually manipulate what you want to eat? It sounds like something from a science fiction novel, but the mechanisms are surprisingly direct. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication through a superhighway of nerves and chemical signals known as the gut-brain axis. Your gut bacteria are expert hackers of this system. They can produce neurotransmitters, the very chemical messengers your brain uses. For instance, certain species can produce serotonin and others produce dopamine. Both influence mood and reward. They can effectively reward you for eating the foods they like. One idea is the microbial manipulation hypothesis. Microbes evolved to influence our behavior to favor their growth. Different species may drive us toward the foods they prefer. Fiber-feeding microbes make chemicals that promote satiety after a veg-rich meal. Sugar-loving bacteria can release compounds that make us feel unwell or irritable when we don't give them sugar. They can even interfere with taste receptors, making sweets more rewarding and bitter vegetables worse. It's a hostage situation. Microbes calling the shots from within, and scientific studies are revealing just how powerful this connection is. For some people, the problem isn't just a dislike for vegetables. Eating them leads to genuine physical discomfort. You might try to do the right thing by eating a large, fiber-rich salad, only to be rewarded with bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. This can be incredibly disheartening and often leads people to believe they simply can't digest vegetables. In reality, this unpleasant reaction often signals your gut microbiome is ill-equipped for the job. If your gut is dominated by bacteria used to simple sugars and processed foods, they lack the machinery to break down complex fibers like beans, lentils, broccoli, onions. When undigested fibers arrive, unprepared bacteria go into a frenzy and try to ferment them inefficiently, producing excessive gas, hydrogen, methane, causing bloating and flatulence. This is common with foods high in FODMAPs. Many healthy foods contain these short-chain carbs, but for a sensitive gut, they can trigger distress. So, how can you stage this microbial coup and retrain your gut to love vegetables? The good news is that your microbiome is highly adaptable. You can start to see significant changes in as little as a few days simply by changing what you eat. Be strategic. Start small. Don't go zero to giant kale salad overnight. Introduce small amounts of a wide variety of plant foods. Aim for diversity: vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds. Target 30 different plant foods a week. Feed your good gut bugs prebiotics, the fiber they love. Think of them as fertilizer for your internal garden. Foods like chicory root, Jerusalem artichokes, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and slightly underripe bananas are powerful prebiotics. Add fermented foods for probiotics: live yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha. These deliver reinforcements to crowd out bad microbes. Crucially, Reduce the foods that feed bad bacteria. Ultra-processed foods, sugary drinks, white bread and pasta. Starve the sugar-loving microbes to shrink their numbers and influence on cravings. As they shrink, space opens for fiber-loving bacteria. And over time they start sending signals that make you crave healthy foods. Learning to love vegetables is cultivating your inner garden. Be patient and persistent. Every small healthy choice is a vote for a better gut. Soon you won't force your greens. Your gut will demand them. Transform your health from the inside out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more science stories. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.